So, hello, once again I'm back on my somewhat old Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD version, running MX Linux 25.1 Infinity, and today I'm streaming on a Twitch service instead of Kick and recording locally. I wasn't sure if I was to make this video today because I'm kinda sick for the past few days, but here I am. Better to be here for 5 minutes I say instead of nothing, not at all. Anyway, let me show you the system details, system information. Here it is, MX 25.1 Infinity, Alienware M17 R5 AMD. Desktop environment is XFCE and X11, the window manager, and it's the sys-vinit version, not the System D, I think it was the other choice. And also this version of MX Linux is the advanced, it's the one that has the advanced hardware support. It's supposedly for newer systems. I'm not sure if the normal version will work, but I didn't want to make you know, like a trial of the normal version, so I installed right away the advanced hardware support version and have no issues so far. Everything works, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, connected devices, special keys on the keyboard, no problem at all. I'm quite glad with the whole thing, and let me just double check that the stream is live and the recording and everything. Yes, okay, no problem. Also, I'm not sure if I have enabled the flatpak versions for applications, and it's something that I wanted to do. The system has its own package manager in order to install applications. No, not here. Okay, it has, okay, here. Yeah, this is one of the good things that the system has, MX Linux I mean. I didn't have to enable the flatpak and its repo for the applications, it's already built in. So I just use this MX package installer, and for a minute I thought it will find the sets that I did here, but I had just to click the flatpaks tab, and there it is, smile. So I like to use this, as I have said in the past, I like to use this emoji selector, and I will just go ahead and install it. That was nice and fast, I like. And then what else? I used to use like a few other apps like Parabolic, I think it's the other one. Parabolic. Okay, maybe it has another name on this. Anyway, I'll search for it in some other way, some other time. I don't want to waste your time. What was the other app? Font Manager, I think it's already installed as a part of the system. Yeah, I remember this. Okay. PDF Arranger, I think it's already installed. Yes, as a part of the system. I didn't have to do anything. Maybe they are already compiled for the system and not as flatpak apps. I'm not sure about it. I haven't checked it out. But anyway, at least I found the smile. Okay, nice. Yeah, it seems that I need to have my tricks done again in order for the Flatpak apps to fully support the theme of the system. I will do it in some other time. The cool thing is that it works just fine. I will just have to... Yeah, I'm live. I will just have to keep buying this on the system. I will go ahead and do it. Okay, I'm not sure about all these other options. Yeah, I'll just keep binding for now and be done with it. I'll go here, keyboard maybe, add this one, and this is the command that I want. Nice, super nice. So I'll do just this one, then go here, and boom. Cool. Yeah, just fine. Okay, okay, this is irrelevant. Yeah, everything seems fine. The stream worked just fine on Twitch service, no problems. One other thing that I will try in the next few days with this system is, because it's fully AMD, GPU, CPU, everything, I will try to check manually on advanced settings of OBS to use, if possible, the discrete graphics instead of the software options that I have now at the moment. And of course I will try those options to see what works best, and then I will adjust in the future on this machine. I will adjust the streaming quality on using the discrete GPU if possible, for both recording and streaming, of course. Anyway, this was it for today. I'm already on my limits. I have to go back to bed. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Thank you.